Hello. This is my final project for CS50x called Budget Buddy. This is the login page where you have to type your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, you can register from here. We're at the home page, which shows your recent 10 entries for both income and expenses. Next on the nav bar we have Daily tab, which shows only today's transactions. Next is Search tab, where you can search for entries between 2 dates. Next, you have the ability to change your password. And you can of course log out. Current logged in user is shown here. Now let's add some entries. First I'm adding income. Just put amount. Choose category, select date, optional note and press submit. We have our entry. Next I'm adding expenses the same way as before. Notice Daily only shows today's entries. Let's search for entries between 2 dates. And lastly, you can also delete entries. I used Ajax for asynchronous response and delete entries in real time.